It has been a minute since I've come on and done a Virgin Voyages vlog. What happened was I finished my contract and then I moved to New York City a week later, LOL. Getting my land legs. But I have so much Virgin Voyages content I wanted to upload. I'm a huge fan. I think that they do a lot of really cool things. After about 6 years in the industry, I think if I were to go on a cruise, there's no question that I would want to go on a Virgin cruise. So as you probably guessed by my attire, this vlog is all about Scarlet Night. The reason that we celebrate Scarlet Night on Virgin Voyages has to do with a legendary myth. I don't want to spoil it for you. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. And like also because if you haven't noticed, everything on Virgin is red. I think that the idea for Scarlet Night is supposed to be this like spontaneous, serendipitous celebration, but I don't think that it's always communicated properly to the sailors. So many people would come up to us really confused about what was going on. So I am here like your Scarlet Night fairy godmother to give you some tips and tricks on how to navigate, in my opinion, the funnest night on the ship. First of all, what do you wear? You can literally wear anything. It's more fun the more into it you get. How many times in your daily life do you get to dress up? People wear red tuxedos, red ball gowns, super casual red things, red bathing suits, feather boas. One of my favorite sailors ever made this huge headpiece. It was just wild. So go all out, have fun with it. If that's not your jam, literally you could wear a red t-shirt and you would look amazing. Now we are going to get into the logistics of Scarlet Night. Make sure on that night you go to dinner early. Don't book like an 8 p.m. or a 9 p.m. dinner reservation because you're gonna miss some of the fun. And then the festivities all begin at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. in the roundabout, main area where you entered the ship. There's a stairway that spirals down. You can stand up around the stairway or you can stand down in like the on the rocks area by the shops, and you will see happenings cast and all of the dancers do like a little opening dance to get it started. Scarlet Night, let's go, let's go.
All right, 55 bitches, we gotta go.
I love my friends. I love them. Scarlet Night. Dr. Audrey, how you feeling about Scarlet Night?
Not the beef can! Not the beef can! I'm a vegetarian!
I don't know what that was, but I loved it. Okay. After the opening ceremony, this is where a lot of the confusion happens. If you would like to be led to entertainment, find a happenings cast member and we will lead you and tell you where to go. This is what's happening. All of the entertainment team on the ship is coming together to provide little pop-up entertainments for you. So it's not gonna be like for 2 hours straight, you're gonna be entertained for every single second. That's not what it is. It's little pop-up entertainments. So I would suggest if you would like to experience Scarlet Night, grab a drink, wander around and catch all of the little events. People get really confused because they're like, nothing's happening right now. If you just wait 5 minutes, go up to someone in a red jumpsuit and talk to them, something will be happening in 5 or 10 minutes. You just have to chill out and enjoy it. It's supposed to be fun, spontaneous. A few things not to miss. There is a photo booth and a little border that says Scarlet Night, and you can get that picture directly emailed to you. Also on deck 7 is the missed connections, like a little net, and it's really cute. You can write down a little anonymous note if there's a sailor that you like and you pin it to the thing and maybe they'll find it, or you can just write a note to a crew member that's really made your time special, or maybe your lover or the person that you're hooking up with on the ship that you met at NSA, like no judgment zone. Now, if you're looking at the schedule for Scarlet Night and you see some sort of show that says Cocktails with the Diva, that is our resident drag queen show. You do just want to be spoon-fed entertainment. You don't feel like walking around. You just want to see dinner and a show. It happens in 2 parts, so it's not the same show. It's a continuation. When I was on board, the drag queen was named Wesley, and I had the absolute honor of hosting the bingo show with them, and now we are still friends to this day. The most asked question we always get is, when's the secret party? How can I get to the secret party? Who's gonna invite me to the secret party? It's different every single ship, every single week. Some casts don't have a magician, some do. Sometimes people are out with COVID. We want everyone to have fun. People think like, oh my god, if I didn't get invited to a secret party, like my cruise is gonna be completely ruined. It won't be. Ask nicely or don't ask at all and just get to know us, and we'll probably let you know how to get there if it's even happening. For the most part, people were so incredibly lovely. For every jerk, there was like 10 other people who you were just like, oh my god, I'm gonna miss them when they leave. That being said, if you do get invited to a secret party, go. People have this perception of Virgin like, oh, it's so edgy and sexy, and like they don't want to go to the Never Sleep Alone show. Oh my god, we would never make someone do something that they didn't want to do. Consent is key always, so no need to worry about that. Next up is the Scarlet Night wedding. Don't miss it. It's ridiculous. It's really weird and stupid and amazing. That's going to be 10:30, a wedding. Yes, a wedding every single Scarlet Night. And then, my friends, if you thought the night was over there, oh, you are sadly mistaken. The grand finale on the pool deck. So head up right after you see the wedding. Everyone will guide you up to the pool deck. You'll hear this hilarious song that plays, get up to the pool deck, let's get soaking wet. This is where you get to see Happenings cast, all of the dancers and all of the acrobats up on the pool deck shaking their little booties for your entertainment. I cannot stress to you how epic this pool party can be. No other party could ever even attempt to like be as good as the Virgin Voyages party, because when you have the perfect mix of amazing sailors, amazing entertainment team, a freaking giant blow up octopus, an amazing DJ, and an amazing light show, like I'm talking full grown ass humans jumping into the pool in tuxedos and ball gowns and just dancing the night away. That will all go until about 12. Then if you haven't had enough yet and you want to keep partying all night long, you can head down to the manor, dance the night away until everyone goes to bed. I hope that was helpful. Now you have a little bit of an idea what you're getting into before you go. I hope that you get to go on board and have an amazing Scarlet Night. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Let me know what other Virgin things you want to see. I got a lot of videos. I got a lot of things I could talk about. Until next time, bye!